Microsoft Store Generation Project website offers convenient way to install Windows subsystem for Android. Are you eager to run Android apps on your Windows 11 PC, but don't want to sign up for the Windows Insider program? Look no further, as the Microsoft Store Generation Project website offers a convenient way to install Windows Subsystem for Android WSA without enrolling in the Insider program. Install Windows Subsystem for Android. Go to store.rg-adguard.net. Copy the following link: www.microsoft.com/en-us/p/windows-subsystem-for-9p3395 VX91 and paste it into the URL box on the website. Click the drop-down arrow and select Slow. Click the checkmark to search for files. Scroll down and click the largest MSIX bundle to start the download. When the download ends, go to the file's location and double-click the file. Now, click the Install button and wait for the installation to finish. Now you can easily launch Windows Subsystem for Android, installing Windows Subsystem for Android using Wingit. Open the command prompt or terminal, type Wingit install ID 9P3395 VX91 NRE, accept package agreements, press enter, wait for the installation to finish, launch Windows Subsystem for Android. Installing the Aurora Store using ADB, get the stable Aurora Store APK from its official website. Install the Android Debugging Bridge ADB. Navigate to the Platform Tools folder. Right-click and select Open in Terminal. Type EDB Connect, replace with the number shown in Windows Subsystem for Android's developer mode, press enter. Move the Aurora Store APK file to the Platform Tools folder. Type EDB install Aurora Store _.apak, replace with the actual file name. Press enter, launch the Aurora Store, installing the Aurora Store using WSA Sideloader. Install and open WSA Sideloader. Browse to the location of the Aurora Store APK file. Click Install. Launch the Aurora Store.